months ago, started working on the face of these doors, trying to get the welds smoothed down to the point where we had something to work with. Now I got to finish out the back sides of the door. All the welds that are in it. You look at it, a little rough, but we'll get it all smoothed down, and then we'll start to build up the low areas. I got it yet. Oh. Take this part of the hinge off, because all back here has all got to be reworked and cleaned up. And then any place after I get all the work done, like up in here where we got some holes in that, probably going to have to fill these, get these things pinched back together. Now we got some up in here where a little bit of metal's been added. It's all got to be done. Now all this has got to be cleaned up. I got the gap a little better. I'll show you how our gap is going on these channels. You know, at some points, you're just a hair under 3/4, and then down here, you're right at 5/8. So I'm going to have to split the difference and bring it out just a little bit below 3/4. And I'll try and get it consistent going across the face. This is the one that's a little closer. Yeah. Okay. Now, this one you can see a little better in here. We'll try to fix this all up where there's no weld. And then up in here, on the top of the door, if you get a right angle, this has got to be all fixed where it's kind of like, almost looks like a piano hinge in there that hadn't been welded.
Okay.
I'll clean that up and we'll get it welded and get it ground back down. Hopefully we'll get to the point today where, unfortunately, we're going to have to use filler in the door.
Yeah, it's okay.
I mean, you got where it's been welded and it got pulled in. I'm going to have to make it flat.
Yeah, what we're going to use is FiberTech to start, and then we'll flatten them out, because we can't use a high build primer like we were using on the body. It weighs too much. It's a very heavy, dense product, and we can't have that on the hinges. So what we're going to go with is the FiberTech in the lower areas, fill all the voids, and then we'll make it stronger, and then put the platinum in on top, and then we're good. So not too bad. I mean, it's not all of it. It's just a little bit of areas that need to be contoured, and that's how you do it when you do auto body. Sometimes you're the windshield, sometimes you're the bug. Well, we have a bug. Right. Come on, man, that was a good one.
I thought I was the bug.
Yeah, well, we all are.
Hey, a couple more hours. I got to get these rough areas smoothed out. Then we can start working back up and get a shape back in it.
So Kevin's working on the doors right now. It's a huge step forward. The next step for us is getting back into this car piece by piece, and that's what we're going to be doing. So the doors got to go on the car, and we're going to start leveling them on the car. So the body line here can flow all the way through. That's a big deal for us. And then making sure it's flat across. And the doors open and close. I'll worry about the gaskets on the second half of that. Dew wipes, we're worried about that right now. He's trying to gap the door where the window channel is right now. So we're going to at least make them the same. If we do that and we're fairly successful, then it makes it easier for Glenn on assembly. If we don't do all these little things right now, we're going to be in trouble down the road during assembly, and that's not going to be good. Car's painted, and it's going to be a hell of a fight. It's bad enough he's going to have the windshield put in, the side glass. You're working around a lot of finished areas. But one thing is nice, he did fit up a lot of this before it came here, so it's going to make it a little easier. We're just trying to make sure we don't change any of those profiles. The only one we're changing is the windshield profile, just to move it forward a little bit. And if I never told anybody, no one would see it, but we see it. It's what we do. It's our job to make it flat. Anyway, that is Eleanor Updates.
Oh, we had a little meltdown. The phone stopped working, but I got a picture just before I started working in this area to get it smoothed down. I'm going to go back in here tomorrow. I'm going to fix a couple of these little welds, finish smoothing it all out today. Then tomorrow we'll wrap up the welding. We'll smooth out whatever I weld, and then we're going to start making the doors right. Yeah, we've just about shaped them up. I found out the top edge of the door is cracked up here. And hey, other than that, if you look down the bottom, that's the one good thing I got in the bottoms here. The doors in the bottom look pretty darn nice. So once I get the weld smoothed down, we're going to be in business. We don't have to bother with the bottom, re-welding that. This is all going to be pretty easy stuff to straighten out. And then we're going to go to town. By tomorrow when I leave here about 2, we're going to have somewhat of a face on these doors. So, thanks for joining me today. I hope you haven't been too bored with what I've been doing, but it does take a little while. But once it comes out, you'll see how nice it can really become. Thanks for joining me.